Hi everybody, it's Elena, and before I go on any further, I just want to announce a new group I've created on Facebook entitled Artistic Thoughts by Elena, where you can promote, sell, and advertise your art or crafts. I hope you'll check it out. Again, it's under Artistic Thoughts by Elena. Promote, sell, and advertise your art or crafts. See you there. Thanks. Okay, I don't know if my camera picked up me doing these swipes. I'm having some technical difficulties, but basically what I did is I just added a lot of different colors. Did a few swipes, but with black and white paint with cell activator in it, because Lisa Marvin did that. She got some beautiful effects. Well, my white paint, something happened to it because it was just clunky and junky, and it did not look right. So then I did some more swipes with the black, and that looks kind of good. I mean, I see some of the effects from it. But then I remembered I had some green paint with cell activator, and I just swiped that on, and it looks so pretty. So this is it. I'm going to let it dry, and when it's dry. And today I'm just so happy to be here to paint. I have not created any blooms for like about 3 weeks. I've been working on resin and paint skins, and yes, I'm trying to learn. And but I really love making my blooms, my flowers. And that's what I think I'm really good at, not to brag or anything. And I'm going to be honest with you, as an artist, I don't know it all, but I do want to learn, and I do try to learn. I just hope you take me for who I am and accept me for who I am, and I'll share with you what I learn. But I'm not an expert in some things. I'm older in life. I barely discovered this artistic side of me now that I'm a lot older. And so sometimes when I see what I'm able to do, I'm amazed. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm amazed. And to me, that's just telling me that there's no limit to our learning if we really try to learn. So anyway, let me share with you what happened with this particular canvas. I did a swipe, and you're going to see it previously. I did some swipes. I did black and white swiping, and my white paint was, it was, I think it was bad because I have some lumps and bumps in it, but it still doesn't take away from what I could do with it. And whether it sells or not, like I say, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And so if you like any of my art, except for a few pieces here and there that I just won't sell, it'll be available. But anyway, I'm going to start to work on this, and I'm going to do some different colors. This needs something cheerful and bright. So I'm going to do some orange, some red, maybe a dash of purple, some lime green to set it off, and we'll see what we get from that. So I'm going to get prepared. Okay, so this one came out good, and it's looks kind of wild. Most of my flowers do. I usually like in a lot of cases to just keep it simple when I make a flower, to make it look as natural as possible. But sometimes it's kind of fun to go a little bonkers with the colors. And so this particular one is, it's kind of different. So let me enhance it and see what we get. This is so fun to me. I've missed it. But I'm trying to learn, like I said, so. See what that is right there. Just a little off color. Okay. Okay, so I think I'll do another bloom. And I want it to have some balance. So let's go over here. This time I'm going to go right about here. I'm going to start the colors off different. No, I'm not going to do that one. I have it, but I'm not going to do it. I think I'll even add a little hint of this turquoise. See what it gives me. Just a few drops. My black cell activator. Okay, folks, I'll be back. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. I'll do another one. I did kind of like starting with the green. And here it looks in slightly. So I'll do one here. Let's see, do I want to do some orange for this time? Do you think it really matters in what order? Sometimes it does, I guess. Last two times I put the purple kind of last. Let me give it some more purple here. Okay. Black. Okay. So, okay. push this back a little. Pull my stick out. There. Pretty. Okay. I think I'll make one more. Give it some balance. What do I want to do? I think I'll go yellow first. Purple. I don't want to put too much in, but I still want enough. Okay. Hi everybody, it's Elena. Well, it's not just a pour anymore, it's more when you enhance your art. And that's what I really tried to do in this particular piece. I did apply some resin on this, and I added some glitter where you see it. It's not glued on, it's actually texturized on by resin. And if you're interested, you can see a couple of my previous videos to see how I did that. I would have showed you all that, but I know your time is valuable, and I really didn't want to make this a very long video. Anyway, I like the results. I'm happy with it. And I just want to wish you well. Hope you have a wonderful day. And again, a reminder to check out my new Facebook group, Artistic Thoughts by Elena, where you can sell and self-promote yourself for that matter. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.